Well, it's another beautiful day out here in Joshua Tree National Park. Got Matt with me behind me, leading outdoors. Check him out. But today we are out here on the Hidden Valley Trail. I haven't done this trail in quite a few years, probably close to 15-20 years. Last time I was out here, I was doing this in the snow. So come along, let's hit up the Hidden Valley Trail. We're about halfway through the trail here in Hidden Valley, and when you come out to Joshua Tree early, you get to experience it with not too many people. So right now, I think there's just a handful of people on the trail out here with us. If you're doing photography, a couple families that we've passed, but for the most part, it's an uncrowded trail. Well, it's a little bit after 10 and we made it back to the Jeep. I don't know if you could tell, but the parking lot is full now. Tons of people out here. That's what's gonna happen if you get here late. But then check this out. Got this cool rig right here. Pretty nice somebody's got. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe and ring the bell for notifications of new videos. Till next one, thanks for having me.